gosh, are you guys twins? This is day 2 of the SoCal Fiber Fair. I went to the fair yesterday. I kept calling it a festival. I don't even know why. I went to the fair with my sisters and my mom yesterday, and I didn't get a lot of, like, I got a little bit of things, but I didn't get yarn. And I told you guys in my other video of day 1 how I saw this girl in the cutest sweater ever, and it turned out to be the Autumn Alpine sweater by Caitlin Hunter, and I need to knit that pattern immediately. So I'm on a hunt to find yarn specifically for that pattern so I can knit it. And so my goal is to find a black and pink yarn combo, and I think I know what I'm gonna get. So it's looking up for right now. Anyway, I'm also going to get a braid of fiber because I'm going to learn how to spin yarn with my sister, so that's going to be fun. So I'm going to look for a cute braid so I can spin yarn and knit my spun yarn. So that's going to be a fun little journey of its own, and that's really it. So let's just see what we get into. Day 2, let's do it. Okay guys, we're here now, and oh my gosh, my card is just sitting there. My whole wallet. Oh my gosh, I would have gone in there without anything. Oh my gosh, I'm so I'm so glad I saw that. Anyway, it's time to get the goods this time. Like, we will not be distracted, and we're gonna do what we gotta do and do what we gotta do. Oh yeah. Let me get a little. Alright, let's get this. I mean, let's do this. Okay guys, the combination I thought I was gonna get, it turns out that it was two different types of yarn. 2 were DK, 1 was light DK, and I thought they were all the same. Turns out they're not. So now the search continues to try to find black yarn. I think I know what pink I'm gonna get. So the pink isn't the problem, it's trying to find pure, because I'm really being very specific, trying to find pure black, because I don't want any variegated. So the search continues. I don't know, we'll just see what happens. Maybe I'll have to switch up my colors, I don't know. Okay guys, so change of plans. I'm just gonna switch up my colors because it's just so hard to find like pure black, because most of it is variegated naturally, like that's normal. And then the pure black that you did see was 2 hanks of DK and 1 light DK. Yeah. So I'm going to do exactly how that girl that I saw had it. She had like green with the green as the main color, and then cream as the color work color. So that's what I'm gonna do because it looked good, and so I'm gonna steal that. Anyway, so I'm headed back to where I saw sport weight yarn, and hopefully I find the colors that I need this time. Yeah. Oh my gosh, are you guys twins? No. Guys, I literally found it already. I came to the same place I found the pink that I was gonna get if I was gonna knit the black and pink combo, and I literally came back here and saw the most perfect combination. So I'm gonna go with this green and this white. And one of that. So nice. Oh. Guys, I don't know about y'all, but I think y'all need to get some siblings because I got what I needed, and she paid for it. And how much was it? $192. I better not mess up on this sweater. I'm not complaining. If I don't understand, I don't even care. I'm gonna force myself to understand because there's no way guys. Yeah, anyway, you better get you some of these. You better get you some of these. Guys, I'm hungry now. I'm ready to eat. I literally got what I wanted. Anything else is extra at this point. Now, I'm just ready to devour some food and vibe. But we're just chilling for now. And then we're going to get a braid maybe. Show your earrings. Get some food. And isn't that iconic? So cute. Anyway, like I said, I'm just really hungry. I was hungry. Anyway, that's all I got. Bye guys.
Alright, let me put this in here.
Okay, so we're looking at braids. for the fiber, and I'm choosing this one. It's so pretty, and then I'm gonna get this mini one. Oh, yes, it's so cute. Like, I'm obsessed. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to spin it. What did you get?
I got some fiber. I got 100% non-superwash Shanika wool.
Not Shanika.
Anyway, why do I have another hobby that requires me to get beautiful fiber?
Yeah, I don't know why you did this to yourself.
I don't know why, but I love it.
And I don't know why you did this to me, because I'm a follower.
You are.
Take that back.
I can't wait to do a nice little haul.
All right, what did you get?
I got this pretty Stelina beautiful wool.
Okay, we parked closer this time, so we got to put our stuff up in the car. Now, oh, I just need to sit. Oh my gosh, I just need to sit.
Yeah, my shoulders need a break.
Right, and now we're finally gonna eat and knit a little bit, and then we're good. I literally got everything I needed. Everything I needed: my yarn, my drop spindle, my braid fiber. Like, I'm set. Don't ever bring me Kalila. Now, why would you say that? Shalita said I didn't spend anything. I really didn't. I'm literally buying the food. But you know, at least I'm contributing somehow.
Listen, that's important. That's the important part.
Yeah, so yeah, you can put it in my bag.
Okay.
Wait. Yeah,
No, I'm bringing my yarn bag.
Oh.
Yeah.
Right. Okay, anyway. That's it for now. Over and out. Okay, guys, we are... What is this on? Why was it on that? Okay, guys, I am back home, and I'm gonna show you guys all the yarn and fiber that I got. So, I'm gonna start off with... Wait, Kila's yarn is in here. Well, I'll put that up. I'm gonna show you guys the yarn that I got for my Autumn Alpine sweater by Caitlin Hunter. So, I got this beautiful green. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. I have your yarn.
Thanks. And the cream one.
Really?
Yeah, a fingering cream.
Oh yeah. Yeah, mine's this one.
Okay, I'm like, we have the same one.
Yeah, this is so pretty. I'm so glad I switched it, honestly, because this is gonna be so much better than black. Yeah, so this is the green. I got 5, I think. 4? I got 4. 3, 4. Oh my gosh, no, I have 5. 5. Oh my gosh. So I have 5 of this color. This is gonna be so cute. Oh my gosh, I need to knit this immediately. And then I got this cream for the colorwork section of the pattern. Oh my goodness, like this together is amazing. Are you serious? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I literally came to this like before the fair even happened, and I'm like, yeah, my sisters are really excited to get yarn. I'm just here for the vibes. And then I ended up going for the yarn as well, because what do you mean? Like, I get the hype. I totally get the hype because anyway, so that's my sweater yarn for that sweater. And then I got fiber to spin yarn. So I got this to like basically play with it and really test it out and just like really practice with it. This has silk in it, and the people that were there were telling us that it's kind of a little difficult to spin with silk because silk like spins faster, or wants to spin faster than like the wool part, so just be careful with that. So I'm glad I'm gonna be practicing on something that's kind of like harder than normal, so that when I do spin with like regular wool, it's not going to be as challenging as this. So that's literally perfect. So this is what I'm going to practice with, and I'm really excited about this. Like, I don't even know how to spin. I'm gonna have to Google, YouTube, watch YouTube videos on spinning yarn, and then every time you see me, I'm gonna be spinning. So this is my practice yarn to spin, and then I got a full 5-ounce braid. Like, this is so pretty. I love the dark colors. Like, it reminds me of my cloud yarn that I got in Sweden so much, and I love that combination. So I definitely tried to find something similar to that. And this is Polworth wool. I don't know how to say that, but it's 5 ounces. And this is what I'm going to spin after I practice on this. This is basically the silk version of this. So that's, let me give you guys a close-up of it. So nice. And then close-up of the braid. So pretty. And then I got a drop spindle to spin the yarn. So I'm gonna be like, you know, you guys get it. And this is how it looks. It has some yarn on it because I put it with the braid, but this is how it looks. And that is my haul for today. Definitely way better than yesterday. Like I said, I was gonna buy all the yarn today anyway. And then we met up with Leslie, Knit California, and she gave us her journal, which is the cutest thing ever. It has her little logo on the back, which I think is so cute. And then you open it, knits like this. Like, this is so cute. You have a little table of content. Like, oh my gosh, knitwear tracker. Like, that is so cool. And there's this. Like, this is so nice. And then this cute little yarn enthusiast sticker. And then there's this page as well. Like, this is such a cute journal, and definitely want to start utilizing it. Honestly, I'm glad I got this now, because if I got this and I was knitting this sweater, I probably would have burned this book because of all the notes I would have been taking. I probably would have scribbled on it because of my crash out session that I was having when I was knitting this sweater. So yeah, good thing I got it now. But this is so cute, and I can't wait to... Anyway, that is literally all of my haul. And I don't even know when I'm going to knit this sweater. I do have plans for other sweaters already, so but I want to knit it now. But at least I have the yarn for it. At least I have the yarn for it. So that was perfect, going to this fair festival, this fiber fair. Anyway, that is it for day 2. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.